Friends, welcome back. And today video session we are going to validate our request response body, and also we are going to create a unique email ID, and we are going to use that unique email ID assertion into that particular response by using the postman method. And we are going to use for playwright with the C sharp, okay, which we have already used this entire concept, right? And I'll show you that the post method, which is header pods and request body, and then I'm using for new contest to generate our request, and then I'm going to creating the post request, and here I'm passing my URL and request body, which we are passing here, and we are getting the response, and we are displaying the response in a console. Okay, these are the things we have done in the my last video. Okay, now in this particular video I'm going to show you like creating a unique email ID, how you can able to create unique email ID. For the where we need to use where time equal to date time dot, we can choose for any date, today date, dot to, okay, it will give the current time, current date, okay, and then I'm going to do it here where email ID, okay, and here I can use for dollar equal to a user and to curly braces at time at the rate local.com, okay, and this is our email. Okay, in this email ID I'm going to pass in for here. Okay, and now you can see my previous session it is got failed, right? Now in this particular session I'm going to run again. You can see it will pass. Email ID invalid. You can see which time stamp is taken. Okay, so I can pass it for my string format YY, EMM, DD, H, EMM, seconds. Okay, this is the format I'll use it. Okay, now I'll do one more time because it's taken the format of like this, and we can convert that into a format. Now you can see the email ID got passed, and this is the format it is taken, and you can see user at the local.com it is got generated. Okay, you can create how many times you want, you can able to create, and automatically it will take for that particular one. Okay, and even you can able to HHMMSS 3 seconds also we can take, because automatically it will take for different time zones and we can able to get it. Okay, now we need to use the assertion. Okay, for the assertion we can see the last video session also we shown that like this is the format we expected and we done for this, right? The similar format I'm going to for here as well. Okay, and this is not required then. ID we can't verify because automatically it will generate, right? Because of that I'm not going to validate that, but name I can able to because the same name, and we can do for email ID verification. Okay, email ID. For this email ID we can able to pass it for email. Okay, and that email ID, which email ID it is created, that email ID, and email ID one. Okay, now the both the cases need to be a pass. Okay, now again I'm going to use this one. See, it got passed. Okay, the time zone it is provided and also it got passed. Okay, like this we can able to do for validation. With the email ID we can create for unique, and also that email ID we can able to verify. Okay, this is the last video for this entire sessions. Okay, and next we can able to 2025 we can able to come, I'll upload for the new playlist called I'm gonna surprising. Okay, this is not done in my previous videos. Okay, playlist. These are freshly I'm going to do for that. Planning for database, and also there is another thing that most of the people are asking for Python with the mobile application. I will try for any one of them. Okay, I'll try for my level best to create a new playlist and 2025. Okay, and after that you can start that entire new playlist with the happy with the new year celebration. Okay, thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.